Please, Wang Yi, Xi Jinping, you should change your policy in Burma. Don't help military killer, terrorist leader, Min Aung Hlaing. We are not afraid to fight for the federal democracy in Burma. You should be a good neighbor. If you want to do business in Burma, you should talk to the National Unity Government, not the terrorist leader, not the killer, Min Aung Hlaing, the general. He killed innocent people, children, women, pregnant women, even though they are bombing the hospital. Within 2 weeks, they bombing one hospital 4 times. They try to kill the medical helper, doctor, nurse, and even though the patient. Shame on you, Chinese government. Shame on you. You should report your Minister Wang Yi. You upgrade the security camera in front of your embassy. You know everything. Take the picture, take the banner, take the flyer. This is our people's voice. Shame on you, Chinese Communist Party. Shame on you, Chinese government. If you don't change the policy in Burma, you cannot do business in Burma in the future. Please report your minister, Wang Yi. He went to Burma and associate with the Min Aung Hlaing last year and helping the killing machine, jet fighter, jet fuel, weapon, ammunition. So they are killer, they are terrorists, so you are also supporting the killer. Shame on you, Chinese government. Shame on you. Our people, government, National Unity Government, stay helping your business in Burma. We don't destroy your business. Stay now. We can guarantee if you stay supporting the killer, terrorist leader, Min Aung Hlaing. If you don't change the policy, we guarantee your business in Burma. There you are, Minister Wang Yi.
Investment through a Jenny Nolan, Amamaka, but people are building out. People are Yana Chila, Daria, Loma. Amakalumia need how to dodge it. How to not leave it. I don't know, the only net for the Piano job, but Piano, how that chose that they are still appealing. General John Mo, General Piduaro, go ahead. In Madama, Hawari, Joe Baby, Saturday Baby, they will need Jarama, Lavino, Lumo, La Loda is out. That don't be a man, no one let her move. Yan is about, but Yan is still Tina Lime, 2 year investment in Tina. General Yeshimale, still never has something at Tina. General, my wish about Musia. Nagama, General Badunet, Formale, General, any people, General, Laudi, any Sassan, Ninimu Sassan, Tudamale, General, Jodu Siva Tudamala, Tudama, General Pidu Somiama. I don't know that you sell on it, General Pidu with some idea. They all do Yeshima blow and Macau, I will not imagine it.
I got ဘာမှမပြောသေးခါရဟာလေးထပ်ပြန်ဖွင့်လိုက်ပါကိုကျခါရဟာလေးထပ်ဖွင့်လိုက်ဘူးမှမပြောသေးဘူးခါရဟာလေးပြန်ဖွင့်လိုက်ပါလားသူဘာမှမပြောသေးဘူး
哎，我就瓜叶哦，瓜。
ကလစ်တယ်မှာဒီထဲမှာလေ
哦，ဒီမှာကိုထိုးဝေး။ဟောရှိတယ်ဒီမှာ
ညံ့လို့ညံ့ပြစ်စတော့
။ထိုးတော့ coffee ဝယ်ထားတာတော့တော့ coffee ဖြစ်တယ်။ဒီမှာ coffee ရှိတယ်လား
ကာရာဖွင့်လာပြီ
။我觉得我的那
敌人，我们都渴望同样的基本权利，一个可以遮风避雨的屋顶，一所启迪我们启迪的学校，一夜无忧的安眠。然而，为了追求自身利益，北京扶植了一个残暴的军政府，攻占村庄，镇压抗议活动，压制真相。这种干涉并非无害的外交，它背叛了每一个被空袭拆散的家庭，每一个被剥夺受教育机会的儿童，每一个渴望自由呼吸的灵魂。中国，你承诺不干涉，但你的行动却一直截然相反。现在就撤回你的支持，让缅甸自己掌握命运。这世界与我们站在一起，要求民主，要求正义，要求蓝天下的和平，而不是战斗机的轰鸣。我们的革命是和平的，但坚定不移。自由不容谈判，团结起来，我们终将胜利。Please share this message as much as you can. Support what is happening in Myanmar. People in Myanmar need your help more than ever. Together, we can make a change. Thank you so much. 我们都渴望同样的基本权利，一个可以遮风避雨的屋顶，一所启迪我们启迪的学校，一夜无忧的安宁。然而，为了追求自身利益，北京扶植了一个残暴的军政府，攻占村庄，镇压抗议活动，压制真相。这种干涉并非无害的外交，它背叛了每一个被空袭拆散的家庭，每一个被剥夺受教育机会的儿童，每一个渴望自由呼吸的灵魂。中国，你承诺不干涉，但你的行动却一直截然相反。现在就撤回你的支持，让缅甸自己掌握命运。这世界与我们站在一起，要求民主，要求正义，要求蓝天下的和平，而不是战斗机的轰鸣。我们的革命是和平的，但坚定不移。自由不容谈判，团结起来，我们终将胜利。Please share this message as much as you can. Support what is happening in Myanmar. People in Myanmar need your help more than ever. Together, we can make a change. Thank you so much. 敌人，我们是敌人，我们都渴望同样的基本 民权利，一个可以遮风避雨的屋顶，一所启迪我们集体的学校，一夜无忧的安眠。然而，为了追求自身利益，北京扶植了一个残暴的军政府，攻占村庄，镇压抗议活动，压制真相。这种干涉并非无害的外交，它背叛了每一个被空袭财产的家庭，每一个被剥夺受教育机会的儿童，每一个渴望自由呼吸的灵魂。中国，你承诺不干涉，但你的行动却一直截然相反。现在就撤回你的支持，让缅甸自己掌握命运。这世界与我们站在一起，要求民主，要求正义，要求蓝天下的和平，而不是战斗机的轰鸣。我们的革命是和平的，但坚定不移。自由不容谈判，团结起来，我们终将胜利。Please share this message as much as you can. Support what is happening in Myanmar. People in Myanmar need your help more than ever. Together, we can make a change. 我们不是敌人，我们都渴望同样的居民权利，一个可以遮风避雨的屋顶，一所启迪我们集体的学校，一夜无忧的安宁。然而，为了追求自身利益，北京扶植了一个残暴的军政府，攻占村庄，镇压抗议活动，压制真相。这种干涉并非无害的外交，它背叛了每一个被空袭财产的家庭，每一个被剥夺受教育机会的儿童，每一个渴望自由呼吸的灵魂。中国，你承诺不干涉，但你的行动却一直截然相反。现在就撤回你的支持，让缅甸自己掌握命运。这世界与我们站在一起，要求民主，要求正义，要求蓝天下的和平，而不是战斗机的轰鸣。我们的革命是和平的，但坚定不移。自由不容谈判，团结起来，我们终将胜利。Please share this
有些丢上卡拉耶，丢了 request 了卡的 ，peace 对吧？有些丢上卡拉 MRTV 有些没拿卡拉耶，丢了表嘞，丢了。
我们不是敌人，
request 了卡的，
我们不是敌人，
的钱。
我们都渴望同样的居民权利，一个可以遮风避雨的屋顶，一所启迪我们集体的学校，
有些丢上卡拉耶的钱里吧。
然而，为了追求自身利益，北京扶植了一个残暴的军政府，攻占村庄，镇压抗议活动，压制真相。这种干涉并非无害的外交，它背叛了每一个被空袭财产的家庭，每一个被剥夺受教育机会的儿童，每一个渴望自由呼吸的灵魂。中国，你承诺不干涉，但你的行动却一直截然相反。现在就撤回你的支持，让缅甸自己掌握命运。这世界与我们站在一起，要求民主，要求正义，要求蓝天下的和平，而不是战斗机的轰鸣。我们的革命是和平的，但坚定不移。自由不容谈判，团结起来，我们终将胜利。Please share this message as much as you can. Support what is happening in Myanmar. People in Myanmar need your help more than ever. Together, we can make a change. Thank you so much. 我们不是敌人，我们都渴望同样的居民权利，一个可以遮风避雨的屋顶，一所启迪我们集体的学校，一夜无忧的安眠。然而，为了追求自身利益，北京扶植了一个 残暴的军政府攻占村庄，镇压抗议活动，压制真相。这种干涉并非无害的外交，它背叛了每一个被空袭拆散的家庭，每一个被剥夺受教育机会的儿童，每一个渴望自由呼吸的灵魂。中国，你承诺不干涉，但你的行动却一直截然相反。现在就撤回你的支持，让缅甸自己掌握命运。这世界与我们站在一起，要求民主，要求正义，要求蓝天下的和平，而不是战斗机的轰鸣。我们的革命是和平的，但坚定不移。自由不容谈判，团结起来，我们终将胜利。Please share this message as much as you can. Support what is happening in Myanmar. People in Myanmar need your help more than ever.
China should be a good neighbor. Chinese government, you should be a neighbor.
我们都渴望同样的基本权利，一个可以遮风避雨的屋顶，一所启迪我们记忆的学校，一夜无忧的安眠。然而，为了追求自身利益，北京扶植了一个残暴的军政府，攻占村庄，镇压抗议活动，压制真相。这种干涉并非无害的外交，它背叛了每一个被空袭拆散的家庭，每一个被剥夺受教育机会的儿童，每一个渴望自由呼吸的灵魂。中国，你承诺不干涉，但你的行动却一直截然相反。
Okay.
ခန္ဓာမှုကိုထုံးဝင်တာကိုထုံးဝင်ဆိုကိုထုံးဝင်နဲ့စပြီးတော့စမယ်လေ
အားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါ Okay ဒီနေ့ကြွားရောက်လာတဲ့ကျွန်တော်တော်လည်းညီကိုမောင်နှမအားလုံးပေါ့နော်ကျွန်တော် Hello တရုတ်တန်ရုံးမှာကျွန်တော်ဒီတရုတ်ပြည်ကဗမာပြည်လူရေးဝင်ရောက်ဆွတ်ဖက်တဲ့ကိစ္စကိုလာရောက်ပြည်သူစံသားနဲ့စက်ကျင်တဲ့တရုတ်ဆိုရရဲ့ policy မှားယွင်းတာကိုလာရောက်ကန့်ကွက်ပြီးတော့ကျွန်တော်ပြည်သူဆိုရဖြစ်တဲ့ National Unity Government နဲ့ဆက်ဆံပြီးတော့မြန်မာပြည်ငြိမ်းချမ်းရေးကိုတကယ်လို့ကြီးကျွန်တော်ပြည်သူဆိုရနဲ့ဆက်သွယ်ဖို့ကျွန်တော်လာရောက်တောင်းပါတယ်ဟုတ်ကဲ့ကျွန်တော်ဒီနေ့အခမ်းအနားလေးကို
အရန်ကြားရတယ်အရန်ချင်းလေးသွားကြားရပါတယ်ကိုထုံးဝင်
ဟုတ်ပြက်တောက်ဖြစ်နေ
Okay ကျွန်တော်အခမ်းအနားစီစဉ်လေးကိုစတင်လိုက်ပါတော့မယ်အခမ်းအနားစီစဉ်ကျွန်တော်တို့မြန်မာနိုင်ငံတော်တခြင်းကိုဖွင့်လှစ်ပေးဖို့ကိုပြောတောင်းဆိုပါတယ် This is our mission effort. Kana City you know, you must democracy to a type of way be your just on right, you know, cases. Anachi Niwian Sadio, you know, she you know, the top control, you know, now some of the partners sit on a day, Chema, federal democracy, you children could do Macabe, just on the type of way, you know, Jansi, Taiwan equally, I don't know, computer RP, you know, in a certain second, yeah. Democracy type way can just so long. Oh, to ye go. Okay, Nini. You know, can I see them down here? You know, look, slogan you come. Free, 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 free Burma, save, save, save Burma, save, save, save Burma, help, help, help Burma, help, help, help Burma, 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 mercy, free,
Freedom, justice, democracy.
Burma, Burma, must be free,
Freedom,
justice, democracy, freedom, justice, democracy.
Burma must be free.
Freedom, justice, democracy.
Burma must be free.
Must be a good neighbor.
China
China
must be a good neighbor.
Stand with the people, not with illegal.
China, stand with the people, not with illegal.
Burma mystery.
China's policy,
China policy.
Burma's mystery.
Burma pain.
China gain,
China gain.
Burma pain.
The coup is a crime.
The justice is blind.
The justice is blind.
Coup is a crime.
China is behind.
The coup is a crime.
The coup is a crime.
China is behind.
Meow
Anarchy, anarchy,
Meow
anarchy, anarchy.
SAC.
Terrorists, terrorists,
SAC.
terrorists.
Stop supporting the terrorists.
China. Stop supporting the terrorists.
Stop supporting the killers.
China. Stop supporting the killers.
Do not recognize me online.
China.
Do not recognize me online. Do not recognize SAC. China.
Do not recognize SAC.
Do not support genocide.
China.
Enough is enough.
Genocide.
Do not support the sham election.
Enough is enough.
Enough is enough.
Do not support the sham election.
Respect Myanmar people's will. China. Stand with the people, not with illegal. China. Not with illegal. Choose the right way to support Myanmar. China.
To support Myanmar.
Who represent Myanmar?
Unity government must represent Myanmar.
Who represent Myanmar?
Unity government must represent Myanmar.
Who will decide our future?
By ourselves.
Who will decide our future?
Our power.
By ourselves.
Superpower.
Cannot support people.
change your game plan. China, 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 China.
Once we change your game plan.
Change your policy right away.
China, China.
China, China.
Change your policy right away.
Start interfering Myanmar internet affairs.
China, China.
China, China.
Stop interfering in our internal affairs.
Start annexation into our land of Myanmar.
China, China.
China, China.
Stop annexation into our land of Myanmar.
Get out of Myanmar.
China, China.
Get out of Myanmar.
China, China.
What do we want?
Federal democracy. Federal democracy.
What do we want?
Federal democracy. Federal democracy.
When do we want it?
Right now, right now.
When do we want it?
Right now, right now.
Release our leader, Daw Aung San Suu Kyi. Release our leader, Daw Aung San Suu Kyi.
Right now, right now.
Release our president, U Win Myint.
Right now, right now.
Release our president, U Win Myint.
Right now, right now.
Release our leader.
Right now, right now.
Release our leader.
Right now, right now.
Release all the detainees.
Right now, right now.
Release all the detainees.
Right now, right now.
Shame on you, China. Shame on you.
Shame on you, China.
You should be a good neighbor. You should change your policy, China. Right away. Right away. Shame on you.
Shine on you, China! Shine on you, China!
နေရာလေးကြီးကောင်းပြီဆိုတော့
ဆိုတယ်လို့ပြော
လူတွေကွာဝဲလို့လည်းညံ့ကြပါတော့ကျွန်တော်တို့တရားလည်းမတွတ်တယ်လို့ပါချက်ကိုကလူများနေပါတယ်ကျွန်တော်ချက်လေးတရားလေးနည်းနည်းကြီးကောင်းလို့ပြောတာ
Democracy is coming today. Democracy is coming today. Dictatorship going away. Dictatorship going away. Victory will be prevail. Victory will be prevail. Yerabo. 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 Shame on you, China. Shame on you. Shame on you, China. Shame on you, Chinese Communist Party.
You guys are supporting the terrorists. You guys are supporting the killer. Shame on yourself.
You should be a good neighbor.
Wisely change your game plan, Chinese government. Stop interfering Myanmar internal affairs.
Shame on you, Chinese government.
You gotta shame on yourself, China.
China government.
Shame on yourself.
Our young generation, like your same age, they are still fighting for our democracy. So, shame on you, China government, and you need to change, you should change your policy. Please share this message, your community, Chinese community, young generation especially. Our Burmese young generation is fighting against the military junta. So don't interfere in our Burmese internal affairs. You should change your policy right now. Our young generation never give up to fight back for the democracy and human rights in Burma.
Okay, ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်အခုအစီအစဉ်နောက်တစ်ခုအနေနဲ့ကျွန်တော်ကိုရင်အေးကိုဖိတ်ခေါ်လိုပါတယ်ကိုရင်အေး
Good afternoon, everyone. We are Burmese diaspora living around the Washington D.C. area, and we've been fighting against the terrorist military regime in my country. This illegal military regime just took power on 2021 February 1st, illegally. After the coup, illegal coup, they kill a lot of innocent people, especially the young generation. They are killing on the street, they are killing in the village, they are killing in the city. A lot of atrocity happening in my country. They are bombing to the civilian area. They are bombing to the churches. They are bombing to the religious building, and they are also bombing and burning down all the hospital and all the school. These kind of terrorist activity are happening in my country by the illegal military junta led by the terrorist Mao Lai. Chinese government is right now meddling in my country internet affair directly. After the 4 years of the people fight, the Chinese government tried to interfere our people revolution by meddling and pressuring to all these ethnic revolutionary forces who are fighting together with the people to gain their autonomy and freedom and justice in my country. Chinese government just try to pressure the MNDAA and TNLA and all the ethnic organizations. They are fighting against this kind of terrorist military regime. Recently, the Chinese pressure MNDAA to give up the Lashio area, which is the northeastern military command of terrorist regime. Our Generation Z and all these revolutionary forces gave up their life to carry this kind of moment to capture the Lashio city. But after 1 year, Chinese just get into the middle of the fight and try to pressure our ethnic organization to keep this Lashio back to terrorist regime. This kind of interfering is not acceptable. Our people never forget what you did to our revolution China. Our people will not forget. You got to pay what you did to our people. That's our message, China. You got to pay back what you did to our revolution, China. You get independent by the revolution. Your late father fought to the revolution to get independent and get the freedom. All these just some world you got to remember, because right now what you're doing right now is just shame on yourself, because you are interfering other country affairs. Your foreign minister and your press secretary just say we are not interfering. That's a liar. That's a lying. You guys are lying in the media. You just interfere in our affair. If you look at the Lashio, it is easy, very sure that you are trying to pressure MNDAA to give Lashio back to terrorist regime. This kind of interference, we will not accept it. Our people cannot accept it. That's why we are here today to let you know that you got to pay back what you did to our revolution, China. Remember, you got to shame on yourself, China. What you did to my country is like a shame, just a shame. We will not forget. We will not forget what you did to our country, China. You got to remember. That's why we are here in front of your embassy to let you know we cannot accept what you are interfering in my country, China. You got to shame on yourself. You have to stop it right away. That's why we are here in front of your embassy. We will never accept. We will never allow You to do this kind of pressure to our ethnic organization. They are fighting, they are giving up their life, they are fighting back to this terrorist regime. What you did to the MNDAA and all the TNLA are not acceptable. This is only the meddling. This is only the interfering. What you said to the press is like a lying. You just lied to the world. China, you are a liar. You are supporting the Kayla. You are supporting the terrorist military regime. That you got to shame on yourself, China.
Shame on you, China!
You have to shame on yourself because you are standing together with the terrorist military regime. You are supporting the terrorist Kayla. You are supporting the terrorist regime. That's why you got to shame on yourself. You should have stand in this kind of liberal United States. You have to shame on yourself, China. You are not belong to here. This is a land of freedom. This is a land of dignity. This country is like a kind of only the dignity people in here. What you did is like a shame on yourself. That's only shame. You better shame on yourself, China. What you did to my country is shame on yourself. You are supporting the terrorists. You are supporting the Kayla. You try to interfere our internet firm. That's the kind of meddling, China. You got to stop it right away. If you don't stop it, our future relationship with the China bomber going to be a ruin. You have to understand China. That's why we are here. That's all I want to say. Shame, shame!
Shame on you, China!
China, China, shame on you! China, China, shame on you! China, China, get out of Burma! China, China, get out of Burma! China, China, get out of Burma! Stop interfering with our internet affairs! China, China, stop interfering with our internet affairs! China, China, stop supporting the Kayla! Stop supporting the Kayla! Stop supporting the terrorist regime! Stop supporting the terrorist regime! Shame on yourself, China! You gotta shame on yourself!
When Xi Jinping, you should change your policy in Burma. Don't interfere our internet in Burma. We are not the world. We are fighting for federal democracy. We never give up. Shame on you, Chinese government. When shame on you, Wabata. When Wabata.
Xi Jinping!
ကျမတို့ကယဉ်ကျေးတဲ့တိုင်းကြီးရောင်းနေတဲ့ကိုရီကွာယဉ်ကျေးတဲ့ဆိုတာကိုထုတ်ဖော်ပြသရမယ်။ဒါကြောင့်မလို့အားလုံးရဲ့ခံစားချက်ကိုကျမတို့နားလည်တယ်။ဒီလိုမျိုးဆဲဆိုခြင်းချက်ပို့ပြီးတော့ပြင်းထန်တဲ့အပြုအမူတွေနဲ့ကျမတို့တို့တုံ့ပြန်ကြမယ်လို့ကျမတောင်းဆိုချင်ပါတယ်ရှင်။
Okay, now see the next New York လာရပြီးတော့ဆန္ဒထုတ်ပေါ်ပြီးမဆုမေဦးကိုဖိတ်ခေါ်ပါတယ်။မဆုမေဦး Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sumeu. We gather here today not just in protest, but in deep and unwavering solidarity with the people of Burma. Since the military coup of February 2021, the Burmese junta has unleashed terror on its own people. They have murdered civilians, banned villages, imprisoned journalists, and silenced anyone who dares to speak the truth. And while the world watches in horror, one country has quietly stood behind the regime, propping it up, protecting it, and profiting from its brutality, the Chinese government. Let us be clear about who pays the price for China's support of the junta. It is not the generals. It is the children who can't go to school. It is the villagers whose homes are bombed. It is the students who are jailed for protesting, and the families mourning loved ones killed in silence. It is not a civil conflict. It is a military dictatorship clinging to power through fear. And China is helping to keep it alive. Why do we say that? Because China's massive investment in Burma are not neutral. They fund the regime. China's oil and gas pipelines across Burma and the junta hundreds of millions of dollars every year. That money goes directly into the pocket of military cronies, not the people. Chinese companies dominate Burma's jade trade and rare earth mining. These industries are built on forced labor, environmental destruction, and deep ties to military commanders. And through these deals, China has become the economic oxygen that keeps junta breathing even as its people suffocate. Every dollar China pours into pipelines, jade and rare earths in Burma becomes a bullet in the can of military regime. Let's call it what it is. These are not development projects. They are lifelines for a violent regime. But China's interference doesn't stop with economics. Just recently in Lashio, the capital of northern Shan State, we saw one of the most blatant acts of foreign meddling in Burma's internal affairs. China didn't just influence events, it directed them. It is an attack on Burma's sovereignty. And yet, what do they say? The Chinese government claims it respects Burma's sovereignty and it doesn't interfere in internal affairs. But how do you call it net interference when you're brokering military deals behind closed doors? You're aiding junta elections that are neither free nor fair. While brave protesters are shot in the streets of Yangon and ethnic villages are bombed from the air, what has China done? Blocked UN Security Council resolutions, armed the military with surveillance tech and weapons, signed deals with military-controlled companies despite knowing the blood on their hands. Let's be honest. China is not neutral. It is a strategic actor and it has chosen the side of oppression. This is not diplomacy. This is complicity. China, you have been disrespectful to the people of Burma. So we say this to the Chinese government. Withdraw all your support to the junta. Stop fueling the military. Stop fueling from the suffering of the Burmese people. Stop profiting from the suffering of the Burmese people. Stop fueling the military. Stop protecting Burma's future. Stop hiding behind diplomacy while backing dictatorship. To Chinese investors, cut ties with military-linked companies. You are not neutral. You are feeding oppression. To the international communities, sanction the Chinese firms complicit in this horror. Block their access to the global markets until they stop backing murderers. Burma deserves true development led by its people, not by weapons, not by corruption, not by foreign-backed tyranny. Burmese people strongly oppose China's security deployment that encroaches on Burma's sovereignty. We oppose and condemn China's support for genocide and war criminal Myanmar. We protest against China's economic interference and its modern-day colonialism. Let the people of Burma decide their own future. We, the Burmese are strong. We are united, and we will make our voices heard. Thank you.
Okay, New Year in La Vida, tomorrow we are happy with Masumi who to the Mare. Tomorrow, you be in a message event and slogan online, no? Okay. Burma, Burma, mercy free. Burma, Burma, mercy free. Freedom, justice, democracy. Freedom, justice, democracy.
Piano mi mano, the cello, play mamma. She Niluva, the champion may be valid, the cello, play, no? Thank you for watching.